This is my water source. Generally, this is really the best water source I've seen since I've started this trip. Normally the water is like here, trickling and in a muck. I just about fell into this from this little step right here. But this is normally what I have been coming across to try to get me some water. Interesting. I have iodine tablets. I have a water bottle that's supposed to filtrate my water. But I always try to make sure the water is really moving. Moving water is the best water. Now I'm just trying to get this up a little bit. I've had a long day and I'm coming to an area that I've been trying to reach. These is rhododendrons. Beautiful. Here's a little name of, they call it some kind of cascade. Carnes. I'm not good on words, so there's the sun up there. But these flowers, someone actually ended up telling me they're rhododendrons. But I wanted you to see actually mostly how us through hikers have to drink and process the water. And since it hadn't been very good, I'm having, this is the first really good stream of water I've had. So I'm going to enjoy it because I've been dry and I have about a mile left to get to that Hiawassee, Georgia. I'm about a mile and a half away.